Okay, guys, welcome to another weekly market review session. Again, let's just go through how the markets have been and look forward to what's going to happen in the upcoming week. So again, as usual, disclaimer, guys, is not financial advice, and then any views or opinions or references I may make is just our own personal views for ourselves, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the chart, see how the markets have been and what to look for in the upcoming week. Okay, guys, so for this week, things are relatively simple. Okay, relatively simple. So you can see this is the US 500. What it is, basically, it is the S&P 500, including its futures. So you can see we had a downtrend line moving for the markets, and then it broke out of that downtrend line. All right, so about last week, it broke out of that downtrend line, and right now we are moving sideways for ourselves. So if I remove these guys, actually the last couple of I would say 1 to 2 weeks have been a little bit harder to trade. Very simply, if you see for yourself, we have been in an entire sideways trend, right? Market has been going up, then it comes back down, then it goes up, and then it goes sideways. So we are in this ding dong pattern for ourselves. Okay, so if I draw it out, you can see it goes up, goes down all the way, now it goes up, right? Really just sideways and going nowhere for itself. Okay, so this sideways market is kind of harder to trade for yourself. So if you know how to day trading would be a better alternative. You want to wait for cleaner moves before you enter swing trade. What is a cleaner move for yourself? So cleaner moves was again, cleaner moves are basically, if you see over here for ourselves, all right, this is what I call a cleaner move over here. This entire section where market is going up for itself, especially down here from 24th March all the way to about the start of April, this entire move is a clean uptrend for yourself, all right? Easier for you to do swing trades and trades. But right now, market is going sideways for itself, so it's a little bit harder to trade. Okay, so what is there for us to take note of? Again, if we look at the S&P 500, my levels still hold. So I told you guys last week to look out for the 414 to 415 level, which is here. You can see I've drawn my Fibo, and you can see again, this was a time where the market has tested over and over again. It tested here, tested here, it tested here again, it tested here, here. What happened here? This is again a bull trap for itself, right? This is a bull trap. You can see markets went up and then eventually it came down quite hard. All right, so let me zoom in and show you guys. Okay. So if we zoom into here, you can see market went up for itself, and when it came down, it did not even respect the line. It had a gap for itself over here, and then it went down further with a major flush. Okay, so again, this kind of market been really kangaroo market, really sideways market, hard for us to trade. Okay, so again, keep a lookout for that 414 to 415 level. That's where market needs to cleanly break if we are going to have any more upside movement. If not, we can expect this sideways to continue. Okay, why I'm still bullish on the markets as of now? Very simply, you can see if I turn on my EMAs, so I turn on my 50, my 100, my 200, my red is my 50, green is 100, 200 is purple. You can see that it is all trending in a nice uptrend for ourselves. Okay, so all three lines are going above, it is trending upwards. So again, I think market is consolidating and pulling back slightly, which is healthy, before it tries to find its further direction for itself. Okay, so this is how the markets have been and how it has been so far for the past couple of weeks. Okay, so still sideways market, trend carefully, but for now, I am still bullish on the markets. Okay, now things to take note of, guys. So again, this week we do have CPI that's coming out. So as of today, this is Tuesday, we have CPI that's coming out tomorrow. So please take note of that. That could help affect the markets for itself. whether inflation is coming down for ourselves, whether it's not. So please take note of CPI. And then we also have PPI that is happening on Thursday, as well as unemployment claims. So these are two factors that could move and affect the markets. All right. Then last one, Friday, we have consumer sentiment, but really Wednesday and Thursday, which is tomorrow and Thursday, are the days to look out for this week. Okay. So if you're trading, be careful. You might want to wait for those events to happen before you, right, make any moves for yourselves. Okay, fantastic. So with that, again, despite the volatility in the market, despite it being a sideways market, we still have individuals who are making consistent returns for them in this choppy scenario we are facing right now. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what those guys have been doing for themselves on a week-to-week basis. Okay, guys, so if you know how to navigate the markets, and you know how to take advantage of the current choppiness as well, this is what you can do, and it's in store for all of you. So very simply, you can see these are some of the returns that our students have done. You can see Aloysius making 2.4K in a matter of 3 days. Chris making a good amount of returns in a matter of 3 days, 51% smaller position size for her trade, and look at how much she's made. Shafi is one of our newest members, making about 20% in his first trade or first few trades that he has done. Really fantastic. I have Prash over here, continuing his good streak he's been having, and Henry also making some good returns. Now, doesn't stop there. Mutu as well. You know, he got so excited with his trade plan and the fact that his trades are making money, he forgot to put his ROI and his percent, but really good returns that he has done. Shuba and Chunguan all making some good returns in this market. And it doesn't stop there. You got Aloysius, you got Keith, you got Martin, still continuing making good returns despite this choppy and volatile market. So again, guys, if you want to be up to date and know how you can start this for yourself, number one, please join our free Discord channel. The link is over here, bit.ly/IWC Discord, and the QR code is over here as well. Now, if you have not done that, then please go ahead and do so, bit.ly/IWC Discord, and the QR code is here. Now, second, we also place some trading resources and what we call spotlight of the week to analyze certain stocks. So if you want to take note of them, please join our Instagram, bit.ly/IWC Insta, and the QR code is here as well. Okay, so with that, I've come to the end of the video, and I will see you guys next week. Trade safe, stay safe, and I will see you next week for another weekly video.